So I'm going to give you the instructions for doing the exercise number 2 in Photoshop. The first thing that you need to do is to go to introvisual.weebly.com. You're going to find here the exercise number 2, and we're going to use the selection tools in Photoshop to do a monster. The first step is going to create a new document, as it says here. You have to open Photoshop, create a new file, with minimum this size, and it can be landscape or vertical. So you're coming here to Photoshop and you're going to create a new document. As we have seen, it says that it has to be web and the minimum is going to be this one. Depending on the image that you have, you can select vertical or landscape. In my case, I already have an idea of what I'm going to do, and I'm going to select create. Okay, now you're going to select the images that you have. I'm going back to Firefox. You're going to click right here, and when you click it, you're going to have this new window open. Here you're going to have all the types of fruits and vegetables for you to do the monster. Now, I placed one example. I'm going to open it in Photoshop so you can take a look to it. I'm waiting for you to develop and create something like this. Of course, depending on the images that you select is the result that you're going to have. Now, this is my monster and it was made with lettuce and tomato and other things. Now, I'm going to the new image that I just created. The one that I just created is the one that is untitled. It has the size that I needed, and I'm going to be placing all the elements. So I selected the pineapple already. As you can see, it's already selected. I'm going to copy, Command C, and then I'm going to the new image. In this case, it's going to be the artboard, Command B, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, now I'm going to show you the layers window is right here. I'm going to move it right here. You see that this is my first layer. Now, I'm going to select the strawberry because I'm going to do the eyes. Command C, I'm going to untitle again and Command B. Remember that you can transform it by pressing Command T. That is like transformation, okay? And you can rotate it. It depends on you how you're going to create it. I'm going to place it right here. Enter. I'm going to duplicate it. Remember that you can do it pressing Option. I'm going to select it, pressing Option, and then I'm going to have the other eye. Or if you don't like it like this, like pressing Option, what can you do? You can come to the Layers window, hold the layer number 2, and add it here. In this way, you're going to duplicate it and you're going to have 2 strawberries, okay? Now, I'm going to close this one, and I already have the banana selected. You are going to use the tool that you think that suits you better. I'm going to Command C, then I'm coming again here, Command B. I'm going to transform it. I'm not pressing any other keyboard. I'm just going to move it here, and voila. This is just a fast exercise to show you how to put all the elements. Of course, I'm going to grade how creative you are and how you use the tools. Now, as I already have layers here and you have to upload it to Behance, what are you going to do? The first thing is save it. Remember that when you have layers, the format that you have to use is PSD or Photoshop. So, File, Save, select where you want to save it. In my case, I'm going to save it in Downloads. I'm going to write down Monster Brenda. Okay? Format is going to be Photoshop. Now, when you think that you're done and you have placed the background and you have placed all the elements that you want for this monster, what else do you need to do? As Behance only accepts JPG formats or PNG, you need to put all the layers together. How can you do it? There are 2 ways of doing it. One of them is coming here right to the corner. Let me get closer to it. And select the option that is called Flatten Layers. It's just right here. What is going to happen? All the layers are going to disappear and it's going to become just ones. Okay, one layer right here is okay, and this is the one that you have to upload. But first, let me show you the other way to do the flatten. If you don't like to use this area, what can you do? Okay, you come here to the top menu, layer, flatten image. Okay, these are the two ways for you to flatten an image. Now, this is the one that you're going to upload, but you have to change the format. So how can you do it? You come to File, Save As, not Save, and instead of Photoshop, you're going to select JPEG. Okay, Monster Brenda, save it. Now it's going to open you a new window. The suggestion that I have for you is to select always quality 12 because it's the maximum quality and it's going to look perfect. Okay, now you select OK and then you continue uploading to Behance. I hope you enjoy having fun doing this monster thing. Try to be creative. Try to use the correct selection tool for selecting the elements. What I'm going to grade, well, it needs to be like in really good selection, you know, no white areas, and it's really easy because most of the pictures have white background. I hope you'll have fun, and in any case of doubts or comments, let me know. You know I'm really closer to you. Bye!